Just a quick pan. You've got a sofa there that I'm sure rolls out into a bed. You've got a big, huge window. And that's this smaller back slide out with another seating there. The sink, a 2-burner cooktop. Looks like with the same high point oven like we have, convection oven. Has an island in the center, which is the entertainment system with a fireplace. Refrigerator to the right with more storage behind the entertainment system. An access point to the bed area. And then on the other side, as Trina was exploring, you have the dry bath